Welcome to the Colgate Optic White Professional Experience. As you will soon see, Simply Beautiful Whitening is now beautifully simple. For those patients who decide to whiten their teeth at home, everything a patient needs is inside the take-home kit. So let me show you the contents of the kit and step-by-step of what you're going to do. Now, let's get started. Take out the whitening device. Use 2 gel tubes for each application. 1 gel tube for the top side and another for the bottom side of the whitening device. Some people prefer to start with a little bit less gel. Results may vary depending on how much gel you use. Now, grab 1 gel tube and twist off the safety seal at the tip. Squeeze gel from the tube to evenly fill the floor of the device. Start from the center and move outward, creating a continuous line. Do the same from the center dot to the other side. You can use the tip of the tube to evenly spread the gel along the bottom of the tray. Now, turn the device over. Don't worry, the gel is thick and it will not leak when turned upside down. Now, repeat the same process with the second gel tube on the other side. It's important not to put the gel too high in the mouthpiece. The gel should not touch your gums when you put the device in your mouth, as it may burn. Press the gray activator button and the indicator light will turn orange. Wait until the indicator light turns green, which means the whitening gel is now ready for use. Position the mouthpiece so that the green light is facing upwards and insert the whitening device into your mouth. Make sure your upper and lower teeth are seated completely in the whitening device. Also, make sure no gel is touching your gums. If you feel bleach touching your gums, remove the tray and rinse out your mouth. Wipe any excess bleach from the tray and then reinsert the whitening device. Keep the whitening device in your mouth for 10 minutes. Feel free to relax, move about, and read while you're whitening your teeth. When the indicator light goes out, remove the whitening device carefully so that no gel touches your gums. You're on your way to whiter, brighter teeth. Now, let's talk about how to clean up after application. First, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Then, clean the whitening device using a light stream of water. Remove the remaining gel with a soft toothbrush if needed, using a gentle motion. Do not use your fingers to clean the device. Dry thoroughly with a paper towel. Make sure the whitening device is clean and dry when returning to its case. Make sure to wash your hands after handling the device. Repeat this process once a day for 10 days total treatment. Remember, you should avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes after each treatment. Thank you for choosing Colgate Optic White Professional.